Hello everyone. Today we are going to make something from our regular waste material. Just to know, solid waste is the useless and unwanted product in the solid state derived from the activities of and discarded by societies. It is fun to make product from solid waste, right? So let's start. Let's try the first one, the bulb showpiece. The things needed to make this one is shown here. You can decorate in your own style. Cut the foam in ring structure to insert the bulb base. Attach the plastic tray on the lid. Put the shining lace and chumkis into the bulb. Add some glycerin, then water. Attach the lid on the bulb like this. Cut some color paper like this and attach them on the surface of cork rings. Cover the cork with decorated paper and design it by your choice. Place the bulb on the cork hole inversely. We are done making it. Next, we will make a flower top. To make this, we will need these things. Attach the bottom of the plastic cups. Warp them with the colorful fibers. Use gum to attach properly. Decorate it using laces and colorful stones. For the flowers, we will use the polythenes and straw. Make flowers from polythene like this and attach them in the straw. Make as many flowers as you want. That's it. We are done making the flower top. Next one is photo frame. To make it, we will need cupboard paper and colorful papers. Cut the cupboard papers into the given shape. Shape varies according to your choice. Wrap the cupboard paper pieces with colorful paper. We used yellow here. Attach both of them with glue. But make sure to separate one side of the frame to insert image. Make a stand for the frame using paper and wrap it with color paper. Attach it on the back of the frame. Here's all of items we just made from mostly waste and discard materials.